Tradify doesn't have a single fixed price because the cost depends on the plan you choose, how many users you add, and which job management tools your business needs. By the end, you'll understand how Tradify pricing works, what actually affects the final cost, and whether it's worth it compared to other job management apps for trades. Tradify is a job management platform built for tradespeople to handle quoting, scheduling, invoicing, job tracking, and customer communication in one system. Instead of a flat monthly fee, it uses subscription plans that scale based on features and team size. Now explain plan structure. Tradify pricing is usually organized into tiers, where each tier unlocks more advanced tools for managing jobs and workflows. Lower tiers focus on core functions like quoting and invoicing, while higher tiers support more advanced job tracking, reporting, and team coordination. Now, explain what affects pricing. The biggest factor is feature access, because more advanced tools are included in higher tier plans. The second factor is team size, because each additional user increases the overall subscription cost. Now explain what you're actually paying for. You're paying for an all-in-one trade business system that replaces separate tools like quoting software, scheduling apps, invoicing systems, and customer management tools. That matters because many businesses compare Tradify to the combined cost of multiple subscriptions instead of a single platform. Now explain who uses it. Tradify is mainly used by electricians, plumbers, HVAC technicians, and other trade businesses that manage multiple jobs and need to track everything in one place. Now explain why pricing feels unclear. Pricing feels unclear because there is no single universal price, and the final cost depends on how the system is used inside a specific business. Now explain common misunderstanding. A common misunderstanding is thinking Tradify has a fixed price for everyone, when in reality it scales based on both features and team size. Now explain decision logic. The real way to evaluate Tradify pricing is to compare how many separate tools it replaces in your workflow instead of trying to find one exact number online. Now explain limitation. D. A limitation is that very small businesses may not fully use the advanced job tracking and workflow features, which can make the platform feel expensive compared to simpler tools. Now simplify it. Tradify pricing is based on business needs, not a one-size subscription that applies the same way to every user. Here's the simple breakdown. Smaller trade businesses usually only need basic quoting and invoicing, while larger teams benefit more because they can manage scheduling, job tracking, and communication in one system. Do this next. List your current tools for quoting, scheduling, invoicing, and job tracking. Then compare them to what Tradify replaces in one platform. If Tradify replaces multiple systems, the cost becomes easier to justify. If it only replaces one or two, a simpler job management tool may be the better fit.